it finally happened. What's up, you guys? So as you may know by the title, yes, I already got my first car, and it's right there. We just got it yesterday. It's a Toyota Corolla S, 2010 manual, 5-speed, and it has like 95k miles on it, and yeah, very nice, very nice. But yeah, we just got it yesterday, so I didn't record any of the footage yesterday or anything like that. So this was unexpected, but either way, I'm gonna pull it out here so you guys could see it, a better view. And I had to move the van, so you've probably seen this van a bunch of times, so either way. So yeah, so I'm gonna get it out of the garage and you guys can see a full perspective.
Vente para acá, va a salir el carro, ándate.
Alright, so after moving both of these cars, now we have the full view of the Toyota Corolla. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it doesn't have rugs, yeah. Yeah. So here's the full view of it. Yeah, pretty nice.
Hi.
Except for those fuck lights. Like, look at these. They're all. The car is very messy right now, so it's very dirty. YouTube. So yeah, here's the perspective. Oh yeah, by the way, it's gonna blast full music, so it's gonna sound like it's gonna blast full music, man.
I'm gonna go inside.
Yeah, I don't know how to adjust the volume. We'll be right back, alright? Because he's gonna play some non-copyright music, so music blasted. Yeah, hi, how are you? I'm gonna give you guys an inside tour. Here we go. So this is what it looks like. Yep. Manual. Touch screen. It has a camera. If anyone down in the comments wants to tell me what is this used for, please let me know in the comments. And it has a sunroof, and I just found out. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna see if this thing works out right now.
Bye-bye, beach.
Alright, here's my now I gotta get my phone. If you haven't seen already my video, I got my iPhone XS unboxing video, so if you want to see that. So obviously it's not charging right now, so let's see when the car's will turn on. No charge. Hold on, I gotta go. It's charging now. It's gonna be. Am I charging?
Can you put this down over there?
Hold on, I gotta put the camera down and see if it charges. Hold on. Alright, as you may know, see. So as you can see now, the car is finally washed after about 2 hours of here washing it and cleaning it. We still gotta clean the gas cap over here, somewhere like that. Yeah, but overall the car's clean. Now my brother over there is waxing it and to make the car look even much better than how it is right now. Solid and clean. Plus my brother just installed the speakers, so that's a huge thing. I know it's a Toyota Corolla, you know, all that stuff. But either way, this was unexpected, but here we are appreciating the car right now. So here's a few things that future potential I will do, or either way I'm still gonna do. First one, exhaust. I don't like the one silent one, so we're gonna upgrade that to a loud one, so it's gonna be loud. We're gonna probably tint the taillights or buy new ones. For sure gonna change the rims, summer rims, but that's nowhere near now. For sure get new headlights, fog lights as well probably. There's more to go. Basically this is gonna be like my daily, so there's gonna be so much that I have to do, but yeah. The problems with the car right now, it's only like 2 or 3 problems. One is for the clutch. Clutch is about to almost done. It just giving the final touches. It's like my dad told me about like 4 more months until the clutch is completely done and it will need it. So that's the first one. So that's like $1,000 to replace it. And the second one is how the RPM thing, that it stays there for like 10 seconds and it just goes down. That's the second one, and I think that's about it. I can't remember exactly what he said, but that's about it for the car. Car needs work, but yeah, it's worth it. It was like 8,000 something. It was 8,000.7, something like that. So yeah, car needs to be a little bit modified. So yeah. Anyways, ignore the background. I know I'm playing some music, copyright music, but yeah, we finished back in the whole car now, and we fixed our settings, the things over there, so it plays well. So yeah, this is the end of the video. We removed this as well. Here we have the license plate as well. Camera right there, right there. That's right there. The car. Alright, the car's not here. So yeah, I wasn't able to pull it in the garage, so I'm gonna just wait till my dad gets home. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give us a like and subscribe. Make sure to always turn on those notification bells on. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully I get a lot of views from this one. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Pocket pussies.